it's been alleged
Yeah.
that I was illegally stopped in a bus zone. I was merely pulling to the side of the road to be a safe traffic person.
Okay.
I would like to contest the matter in court and take this all the way to the magistrates court in Melbourne.
Yeah.
Obviously, I have no legal experience. I've spent the majority of my adult life writing sketch comedy. What I do have, one of my strengths, is that I don't have legal training, but I do have a film and television production company with a staff of 15 at my disposal, including film crews, actors, and budgets to be able to shoot things. Why I want you here today is I've never defended myself in a court of law. And so I'm looking for guidance on what to do and in preparation for this trial.
All rise for the Honourable Zachary Ruane. All rise. Yeah! We are here for Broden Kelly versus the State of Victoria. You may be seated.
My name is Judge Zachary, or Judge Zach for short. I will be a judge for this case of the Broden Kelly versus the State of Victoria.
They're alleging that you stopped.
Yep, they're alleging that.
But you're saying that you
I would never
you didn't
do that.
You didn't stop, but then you also did pull over to the side of the road.
You've got a lot of responsibility here. A man's license is on the line, okay? So he could lose his license if I want. So that's a big responsibility. So I ask you to listen carefully. I ask you to engage with what they say. All right, so boys, you know the rules. I explained the rules to you in the dressing room. I want a clean fight. I want a good fight.
When the magistrate speaks to you, you should stand before you respond.
Do you have any questions? Ah, very good, very good,
No, Your Honour.
very good.
You said that there's a photo of you in the bus zone. Was it actually
Damning,
you?
yeah.
But it was you.
Yeah, it was me in my car, yeah.
It wasn't someone who looked like you.
No, it was me. You can see me, my hands and just sitting there.
Why aren't you wearing a little wig?
There weren't enough weeks to go around.
There's not enough wig?
There was only 2 weeks.
If I can find you a wig, do you want a wig or no?
Sure, I'll wear a wig.
You want a wig? Let's get him a wig.
You have fancy glasses because there's a blue tint to them.
Yeah, they are. They're actually, they're blue for saving, letting me go to sleep at night.
This, what?
It's helpful for, if you've been on your phone before you go to sleep, apparently the blue light, blocks the blue light in your phone and your computer and stuff, because I spend a lot of time on a computer.
Ah. What's with the blue glasses, man?
Oh, excuse me, Your Honour. I just wear them as a lawyer. Your Honour, this is an open and closed case that I bring before the magistrates and this illustrious jury. Justice can be as blind as a bat. The truth of this day is as bold as brass.
Wow.
As busy as a hound in a rabbit field. The truth is clear as crystal.
Wow.
Dry as a bone, easy as pie. A tale as old as the hills. But it's also a tale of the little man, Your Honour. In the last quarter of 2024, I, alongside my rescue staffy, Shadow, with one eye, who I saved.
There will be no clapping in my court. Order. This is not a theatre for fun, but a court of law. What's the vibe? Because I'm playing the judge, and I've played a judge before.
Magistrate.
I played a magistrate in Rake. In the television show.
It wasn't in Rake. It was with Rake, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, Rake was there, and so in the the award-winning ABC show Rake.
Yeah.
I played the judge in that. And the
Yeah.
magistrate, arguably, you could argue.
Your Honour. I was riding with my rescue staffy Shadow to get a coffee from our favourite cafe in my local area. The traffic was difficult that day, which I will get into later. I performed an act of altruism, which my local council has since said that I was bad. that I stopped in a parking in a bus zone. Today I will prove that that was not true.
No high-fiving the jury.
Your Honour.
Or also, this just as another rule of the court, everything should be directed to the magistrate rather than to your counterpart.
Don't acknowledge them.
Yeah, I think you can say to the magistrate, my learned colleague, is mistaken, etc. But you'd be directing it to the magistrate.
If the other guy is Mark, I go, my shoeless colleague.
Yeah, I think, look, the magistrate might say, kind of order, that sort of thing.
Okay.
Like, well, kind of no nonsense in my courtroom.
Yep.
But you can give it a go.
Okay. I will prove not only that my learned colleague has no merit in this case to make me. I was issued a $110 fine by Merrybeck Council.
Objection, Your Honour.
So what's the problem?
He's talking about my shoeless feet, even though I am wearing shoes.
Any advice on how to play a judge? What's a judge's
I think, magistrate. I think that the magistrates and judges that I've spent time with, I think are really good at keeping things moving forward.
I just want to say you guys are doing great. Do you have any questions for me right now?
No, what's next?
Oh yeah, I'll tell you that. Go back. Thank you so much for your opening statements, prosecution at the other one. Jury, you've got tough decisions coming for you. You've got to decide. I'm glad I'm not making that decision. But we will now have we will now be hearing the case from the...
No smoking or vaping inside. Just turn your phone off.
Thank you, Your Honour. Before I begin, I would like to make it very clear that Broden is my friend and one of the most talented performers I've ever had the privilege
Objection.
of working with.
I'm a talented performer too.
One of.
Ah, sick. I'll allow it.
Now, although I've been asked to act...
It's vaping.
What's wrong with vaping, man?
No smoking or vaping inside.
It said you can't.
You can't vape.
All right.
Never said nothing about me vaping.
Because the judge will probably, or the magistrate will be more harsh on you.
Yeah.
Because you've kind of, in a way, taken up the court's time by arguing this matter. Like, they might be more inclined to take your licence away or give you more demerit points. Because, like, you said the fine was like $110.
Yeah.
They might, kind of multiply it.
I just want to say it takes, it takes a lot of balls to bring this case to me. A lot of people would have settled this, just either paid the fine, and I respect that. That's what the courts are for. So anytime you need, you just take all the time you need because that's what I'm here for. I got like the most full-on shit after this, really full-on shit, and I just can't be bothered. I can't today. So, take your time.
May I please...
Sorry. Yeah, go. You start.
As I was saying, I'd like to make it clear that Broden is my friend, a very talented performer, one of the most
I
talented.
object.
Well, on what grounds?
It's laying it on a bit thick. I think I was on the side of lying's not good.
Yeah, I think that's...
And I used the Robin Williams film Jacob the Liar as an example of how lying can get you in trouble.
Yeah.
Have you seen that film?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
No.
Mr. Kelly!
Yes.
Do you respect authority figures?
I respect the law to the nth degree. Yeah.
So then tell me, Mr. Kelly, why was it when your grandfather, who used to race pigeons, once bought a prized turtle dove and put you in charge of
It's
it,
a turtle
and
dove.
yet you let go of it near instantly and it flew away?
I was 7.
And yet, even at the tender age of 7, disrespected authority figures such as his grandfather to such a degree that he would send his pa into an angry rage.
So you said
A
turtle
master manipulator.
talking shit.
Disrespect
I'll kill ya!
of authorities. Objection, Your Honor, objection.
On what grounds?
He threatened to kill me again. He does it every time.
I will allow it, but
Aim
I
at
would
me.
advise Mr. Kelly to consider not threatening to kill the lawyers anymore.
Do we ever stop? I guess.
Do we ever stop?
Like it's like we're always on our phones.
This is gonna
we're
fuck 'em.
never. We're
This is
going.
great.
Yeah, and I think that there's like an argument there to be had.
I think that's awesome.
So you say I was there, but here was different.
I call Ed the lawyer.
Oh, shit. Sam, can you give me that vape back?
Ed, when did we meet?
Earlier today.
Broden Kelly.
Yes. Ed Rickards, how are you going?
What were we discussing?
General, the law.
Christmas time, everyone's doing pud shit now.
Yeah.
Like there's always pud beers and always.
Oh, really?
Should we sue them? Am I guilty?
I think it's possible that you are.
Oh.
But not.
No, but yeah, it's also possible that you're not.
No further questions.
I would go this guy, man.